Hi everyone at Heartland. I'm looking forward to see all of you at the conference. It's soon actually. I just looked at the clock and checked my schedule. I'm flying out soon to all of you guys, and do I have a treat for you. I'm so lucky that I can do 3 talks throughout the entire conference, and I do have a pre-workshop or pre-conference workshop, a one-day one on April 25th. It's all about Scriptkilling Hypnosis. So if you want to be able to jump into any session at all and have a one-session miracle without knowing anything about the client's problems or whatsoever, this is the type of workshop you really want to be at. It's only $250 for a full day certification training to get to know some of my best tools for powerful hypnosis that is all conversational based, no scripts, no nothing, and actually add some more benefit to you because you'll be more confident, you'll have an even better flow, and you will look differently at your clients looking for resources instead of trying to analyze. It's gonna be so awesome. On this Saturday at 11 a.m. on the stage track, I'm going to teach you guys some of my real fast speed inductions. I know there's so many people teaching fast speed inductions. I do have a different take on it because it's also all about the science behind it, why the brain reacts the way it does. And everybody who attends that will get another free bonus video with a 3-hour workshop where we go through all the stuff that is actually necessary to be able to do something like this. So it's going to be really awesome, and it's something you can add on to all the other amazing presenters that's going to be at the conference. Also on the Saturday at 2 p.m. on the clinical track, I will teach my dream self technique, the ultimate finale for every session that you do. That is kind of like binding everything together, making sure the client will test out the results, that all the resources are live and vibrant right now, and they will leave the session feeling powerful, enlightened, insightful, and ready to take on the rest of their lives without looking back over their shoulder. So it's an amazing finisher for any session, and as a standalone it could be a full session actually. So I'm going to teach you that, go through it, do a demo, something like that. So it'll be fun on the Saturday because there's 2 talks on the Saturday. On Sunday from 3 to 4 p.m. on the metaphysical track, I'm going to spend a full hour talking about the Sulky Therapy, which is a mix between past life, advanced past life regression, life between life, soul communication, all about the spiritual stuff. And here's a good thing: it doesn't even matter if you believe in it or not. It doesn't even matter what kind of religion you have, what kind of upbringing you have, what you actually do, if it's something for you or not. Please join in, and maybe you get a brand new idea of how to actually embrace something like this, because it's all about the client. Doesn't matter what you think, what I think, or everybody else thinks. It's all about the client. And if they can find some resources within this powerful tool, well, they need to get it. And this is a perfect way of getting all of that. And one session will be good for a long time about insights. It's not a problem solver about daily life. It's an insightful thing where you will know your life purpose, your mission, and stuff like that. So it's going to be really awesome. And beyond all of that, I'm looking forward to see all of you. I'm looking forward to see good friends, old friends, new friends, and all of you guys that wasn't mentioned already. And well, basically what's left to say is just see you at Heartland. Bye bye. My name is Martin Castor. Check out those links down there because they will give you the insight and the tickets and the know-how and the information. So that's all for me right now. See you in St. Louis.